Guys, today we're going to review this ball pickup device that goes on your putter. Claims it fits all standard putters. It's supposed to help with alleviate back strain. Our mom likes to play with us on occasion, so I thought I would test this out and see how it does today. We'll put it through a trial run and we'll see how it does. Okay, it says this fits a standard putter, so it looks like you just use the hole that's already in it and you just have to thread it on. Alright, it's on. There it is. Looks like it works pretty well. See if it's easy to remove. Yep, very easy. Again, we're going to stab it. Very easy. Again, it looks very easy to eject. You just barely push it. Very easy to pick up. You just barely push it and it picks it up. You see the putter end right here? It doesn't hinder or hit my inner arms. So I think this would be good for, like I say, someone older. Maybe someone who's having back trouble and can't bend over. This would be a great device. Guys, I would say this was a success. I mean, this unscrews pretty easily. It didn't hinder my putting, so it probably would depend on where you grip the putter. But for me, it seemed to work, and I give it 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.